Layout and reality don't match? Follow these 5 steps and your CO2 laser machine will never make a mistake in sizes. Welcome to Wattsan Technical. Here, Wattsan engineers share their knowledge to make it easier for you to work with CNC machines. Subscribe and join our community. Let's get started. First, cut out the square with a size of 100 x 100 millimeters and measure it. We've got 99.5 by 99.5 millimeters. Second, open the File menu and click on the vendor settings. The program will ask for the password. Enter RD8888 inches and click OK. Now, a new menu will open where the axis can be chosen. We will be working with X and Y. Third, click Read. Look, here we can see step length, and near it is a submenu. Open it. You will see 2 lines, graph length and measuring length. In the first one, you need to write down the desired size, meaning 100 millimeters. And in the second one, enter the real size, meaning 99.5 millimeters. Fourth, click Write. After this, the program will recalculate. And now repeat the same procedure for the y-axis. Fifth, cut out the square again and measure it. And here we are. The factual size equals the one in the system. However, there can be one more type of size distortion when the machine is cutting a lot of similar figures and they all come out to be different. This means that the belts on the X and Y axes are the problem. They can start to crumble or be loose. We have a separate video about adjusting belts on the CO2 laser machine. Also, Wattsan machines are equipped with durable and strong 3M belts with increased tooth size to prevent these situations from occurring often. Another problem that can appear is when the figure's contour is not closing. If you need the solution for this one, then write in the comments below, disrupted. If you have any problems or other questions, feel free to contact us here or via email, and our engineers will help. Check out other videos on the topic in our playlist, CO2 Laser Guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss more tutorials. Also, we're on Telegram and WeChat. Subscribe to receive the latest news first. This is Wattsan Technical. See you next time.